This next recipe that I want to share with y'all, you're not going to believe it. This recipe is called Magical Peanut Butter Cookies, and I think it's in the Lady and Sons 2 cookbook. But we're even switching that recipe around today for those who are a diabetic or just want to cut their sugar. So we're going to start with a cup of peanut butter. And instead of sugar, we're going to use a cup of Splenda. It's amazing how well this works instead of sugar. All right, I'm just going to mix that up real good with that peanut butter. And then we're going to add 1 egg and a little vanilla flavoring. And you'll notice there's no flour in here either. And that's why I call them magical peanut butter cookies. It's hard to believe you can make a cookie without flour. All right, now we're going to add our egg and our vanilla. Now we're just going to take our batter and roll it in about the size of a walnut. Just like that. Gosh, it smells good. You can use, for these cookies, I've used a creamy peanut butter, but you can use crunchy peanut butter or the creamy, whichever you like. And you can see that batter gets a little sticky on your hands. You could spray the palms of your hands with a non-stick spray or just dust them with a little flour, but if you want to keep flour out of this totally, you might not want to do that. All right, there we go. I'm going to rinse my hands real quick and then I'm going to come back over. I can't eat a peanut butter cookie that doesn't have the crisscrosses on it. So normally I would take flour and dip the tines of my fork in the flour to make my crisscrosses, but I'm going to dip it instead in the Splenda. I'm trying not to cheat at all. Now, I want y'all to know I'm really not supporting, one name brand, but to my knowledge, this is the only sugar substitute that you can actually bake with. And see how by coating my tines in Splenda, it makes it not stick too bad. Now we're going to put this into a 350-degree oven, and we're going to bake these for about 12 minutes. And then we're going to have an unbelievable cookie that's good for you and tasty all at the same time. All right, so it's going to be delicious. And I've got some ready over here in the other oven. Let's take a look at. It's been about 11 minutes that these have been in the oven. Oh, those look good. And I think I'm going to just sprinkle these with a little Splenda. It'll kind of give them a little powdered sugar look. And I love using the parchment paper. You see how they just slip right off. I wish y'all were here with me and could taste these. Well, you saw how quickly, what did I make those in like 2 minutes? So you can get up and go to your cabinet right now and have these cookies made in 15 minutes and be eating a warm peanut butter cookie. Just that quickly. That's easier than going to the store and buying a store-bought. I might put Michael on a diet, because he would never guess he's eating a healthy cookie. Yum.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.